Hello everyone, so the question is how to use Apple TV remote with Sonos home theater speakers. So Apple TV uses remotes use HDMI CEC technology, which allows the Apple TV to detect the television setting automatically. So there you have it. There are three basically scenarios. If you just have Apple TV and Sonos setting up at the same time, if you already have a Sonos set up and you just got an Apple TV, or vice versa if you just have Apple TV set up before. So to do that, first scenario, just set up the Apple TV. So here are some instructions of how to set it up. So there you have it. And then just start setting up the Sonos player. So there you have it. And this way you can add play bar to your existing system, for example, so something like that. And then the last step, you just need to disable your television speakers. There you have it. So basically here, when prompted to set up your TV remote, you just follow the instructions using the Apple TV remote. So if you already have a Sonos and just got Apple TV, what you need to do, just open Sonos app for iOS and Android, go settings, tap system, select the home theater room and tap remote control setup. And then from in-app steps, just use your Apple TV remote. So there you have it. And after completing these steps, the Apple TV remote will be the only remote that controls your home theater speakers volume. If you just want other vice versa, just to add Sonos home theater speaker and already have the Apple TV set up, you will just need to go to your Apple TV remotes and devices, to set this to off, and then go to settings, remotes and devices, volume control, select TV via IR, select our new device, and then follow the on-screen steps to program your Apple TV remote. Now you will need to teach the Apple TV remote to the home theater speakers, and then select the home theater room and tap remote control setup, and then just follow the in-app steps using your Apple TV remote. So there you have it. You can also set up Dolby Surround, so you can get the true surround sound for the best sound quality from the Apple TV. And just on Apple TV, go to settings, audio and video, audio output, set the audio output to Dolby Surround. So there you have it.